If you got the new 24-inch Cameo Pro or are thinking about getting one, you'll probably need a stand. I'm going to show you what I found for my Cameo Pro to go from this to this. I'll put a link in the description to my post with where you can get this awesome table, as well as more information along with measurements in case you want to DIY your own table or stand. In one of the baskets, I put all the tools for working with vinyl. I cut a sheet of foam core that I got from the Dollar Tree in half lengthwise and taped it to the inside of the legs to hold the rolls. The roll feeder support piece slides right into the bottom shelf. I added 2 adhesive backed hooks to the crossbar of the leaf support to hang the giant cutting mat. I used the second storage basket to store the roll feeder, mat support, cords and cables, and tools for the Cameo Pro. And finally, I placed the Cameo Pro on top of its new stand. This table is wide enough to hold the machine with a little extra space. It opens up to support the mat in front and behind the machine, and it folds up and can be rolled away when not in use.